we are going to see the meter. I told you it's a middle length, but here I have written greater unit of measurement and is used to measure longer lengths. Okay, I'll repeat once again. A meter, it denotes m. Okay, centimeter we denotes, I already told you, centimeter, it denotes cm. Okay, it is a smallest form. Okay, and meter, M-E-T-R-E, meter, it denotes m. And next one is kilometer, so it denotes km. Okay, kilometer, km. Okay, so a meter, it denotes m, is greater unit of measurement and is used to measure longer lengths. Longer lengths we used to generally we used to what? Meter. Okay, we used to take meter. A meter means meter. This is meter is denotes, otherwise a small form of meter is what? Smallest form of meter is what? Small m. This is a unit. Meter unit is small m, is a greater unit of measurement and is used to measure longer lengths. Longer lengths means, I told you already, is a middle length. Okay, so it's a very far distance. Compare with a very far distance, it is a middle. First one is a smaller, second one is a longer length. Smaller length we used to measure in what? Centimeter. Longer length, that is a middle length, that is called as, that is what we are going to measure in meter. Okay, so that is what I explained already, measure longer lengths. Otherwise we can call it, compare with the very far distance, we can call it as a middle length. So I used to say longer length or middle length we used to measure in meter. Okay, so a meter m is a greater unit of measurement and is used to measure longer lengths. A cricket bat, generally we used to measure in what? We used to measure in meter. Whiteboard or blackboard, door, floor, it's all comes under in meter category. Okay, next one is a bigger unit of measurement called kilometers. A bigger unit of measurement called kilometer. Kilometer means km, that is called as kilometer. From if you want to travel from Trichy to Bangalore, so how many kilometers you are going to travel? 350 kilometers. So that is what, this is a what? Bigger unit. Kilometer is a bigger unit and also it's a very far distance. It's a very far distance means we used to measure in kilometer. That is a bigger unit. So smaller unit means centimeter, longer smaller unit centimeter. Otherwise we can call it a smaller length used to measure in centimeter. Smaller length used to measure in centimeter, that is called as a smaller unit. Longer length used to measure in meter. I can call, I said to you, is a middle length. Okay, so it comes under in meter. Compare with the very far distance. Very far distance means you want to travel from one place to another place, from Trichy to Bangalore or Trichy to Coimbatore or Coimbatore to Chennai or else Bangalore to Coimbatore. So Delhi to Uttar Pradesh. So somewhere Chandigarh, Delhi to Chandigarh. So these are the places. So it's a very far distance. This is called as a bigger unit. Okay, bigger unit. That is called as a very long distance used to measure in kilometer. So bigger unit what? Kilometer. That means smaller unit centimeter and longer unit, that is called as meter. And the third one is with bigger unit. Okay, bigger unit, this is called as kilometer. Okay, I'll repeat once again. This is a smaller length. Smaller length. This is a longer length. Longer length. This is a very far distance, otherwise very far, we can call it as distance only. We can't say length, it's not a right word. Very far distance. So used to measure in kilometer and longer length used to measure in meter. Longer length, otherwise we can call it as a middle length. I used to say middle length. So compared with very far distance is a middle length. Okay. Okay, centimeter, it's a smaller length. These are the units. Okay, these are the units. Okay, that means smaller unit. This is a SU means smaller unit. This is a LU means longer unit. This is a bigger unit. SU, smaller unit. Smaller unit, and this is a longer unit, this is a bigger unit. Centimeter, longer unit meter, bigger unit kilometer. Okay, that's what. Longer, otherwise we can call it as greater. Okay, smaller unit centimeter, greater or longer unit meter, bigger unit kilometer. Okay, SU means smaller unit, LU means longer unit, BU means bigger unit. These are called units. Centimeter short form is cm, meter short form is m, and kilometer short form is km. This is smaller length, this is longer length, otherwise we can call it as middle length, that is compared to very far distance. This kilometer we used to measure in what? Kilometer is where you are going to apply this very far distance, we are going to what? Measure in very far distance, we are going to measure in kilometer. So kilometer short form is what? km. I think so you understand the measurement of length. Okay, now we are going to move on measurement of mass or measurement of weight. Okay, kilograms. Kilograms means, kilograms short form is kg, are used to weigh heavier object, and grams, that is grams short form is g, are used to weigh lighter ones. Okay, for example, 1 kg of banana, half kg of apple, 3/4 kg of grapes. Okay, these are the example. 1 kg of banana, half kg of apple, 3/4 kg of grapes. So kilograms we used to measure only the heavier object. Kilogram short form is kg. And what? Lighter ones, lighter object we used to measure in grams. So grams shorter form is what? G.